Our enterprise is a part of the Voronezh Pharmaceuticals production holding. We use various pharmaceutical equipment that meets the requirements and standards of GMP for the production of products, a unit for dehydration of aqueous solutions, and extracts in a fluidized bed apparatus, rotary tablet machines, automatic line for packaging tablets into plastic film, and foil and other high-tech machines and apparatuses. At the end of the year, we carried out modernization and started to replace morally and technically obsolete equipment. I have been working as a chief technologist for 10 years and know all the technological processes well. I made the choice of new equipment myself, agreeing it with the management before purchase. It was not an easy job. There is a lot of equipment on the market. Many processes have changed and become automated. In pharmaceutical production, it is very important to control the quality of raw materials and finished drugs. To ensure that the products were of high quality and fully complied with hygiene requirements, it was necessary to take the issue of equipment selection seriously. We decided to replace the main element of the mixer, which was malfunctioning and did not provide homogeneous mixing of the powder, for trial batches of tablets. The material of which the equipment is made must be durable and hard-wearing. I'm used to doing my job well and working only with specialists. I took the choice of boilers seriously. I did not use the internet to search for equipment, because often a pretty picture hides unprofessionalism. I visited the International Exhibition of Equipment, Raw Materials and Technologies for Pharmaceutical Production, which was held in Moscow. There were many mixers at the exhibition, from different manufacturers, from different countries of the world. I chose 3 that best matched my requirements, and contacted their representatives. It was necessary to agree the element of the mixer with the management, and then conclude a contract for delivery. Back at the company, I started contacting the representatives of the equipment manufacturers by phone. The company from Germany agreed to supply the mixer element, but asked me to come and sign the contract in person. Unfortunately, I couldn't travel to the European Union, as I didn't have a visa, and the visa process would have taken at least 3 months. The company from China sent a catalog of products to the post. I chose for a long time, but I could not figure out for the machine's suitable element of the mixer what the allowable volume of loading. Following his advice, I turned to a specialist intermediary company from Moscow. At that time, I had no idea that I was doing the right thing. The manager of the company listened to me, asked me some questions about the required productivity, the material of the boiler. I was pleased with his professional and businesslike approach. After a preliminary consultation, he suggested a variant of the mixer, which is ideal for pilot batches. A specialist of this company sent video of the machine, which clearly demonstrated the element and its characteristics. I agreed on the suggested element of the mixer, and a week later we signed a contract for its delivery. 1 month after signing the contract, we received the equipment. The element matched our mixing unit. The design is stainless steel, which allows us to use detergents in the daily operation of the equipment. The mixing paddles allow the powder to be mixed to a homogeneous mixture. I was initially skeptical about choosing a manager, relying on my own experience, but I realized that you should always learn, and not be afraid to trust a professional.